G'day guys, Jono here from Safeguard Cargo Nets. We're just on site with the Trex guys today, just out here installing some ground stabilization gear. As you can see, we've got the net going over the pallet. This is a larger trailer and you can see the versatility of our nets here being it will hug to every different size load out there in the market. So, some selling features. We've got the triple edge reinforced edging all over the edging. We've got the carabiners here. Now all of these come with carabiners and straps. The carabiners are all certified to a certain weight capacity, which is 1,250 kilos per unit. The load rated tabs here are what gives this net its strength. So when you're holding down a heavy load like what we have on here today, it helps to hook onto those load rated tabs and it will give you the strength needed to hold everything into place. Now, I'll run over a bit of things with you. So we've got the straps here. Now, the standard ones are with your S-hook strap. These are 1 meter straps that come with the net. Easy tightening. Easy for every single person to use. The way that we design them is 1 person, 1 minute, and your load is secure. So, 3-year warranty on the net. You've got your UV stabilized polyester in the top, and that's designed to go out in the Australian sunlight and not get destroyed like some of the other polypropylene ones that are out there. So hit your resellers up and get in via Safeguard. So jump on the website, guys, www.safeguardnet.com.au, and go to our sizing tool, which you'll find the right size for you, and we'll be able to send you to the nearest reseller in your area.